Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I will show you how to enable kid space on this device. So first of all, let's open settings on your device and let's scroll down to section accessibility and convenience. And from here you want to scroll to find section kids mode. Now let's tap agree and continue. Now you want to set your lock screen password if you haven't done that yet. Let's tap settings and here you can do that. So enter your password and enter it once again to confirm. Now we want to choose the applications that you want your child to access within this kid space. So let's say that I want my kid to access only camera, Chrome, clock, and I don't know, contacts, for example. Let's press next button. You need to set time limits. So first of all, enable time limit, and then you can set your preferred duration. As well, you can set custom option to set some specific time. Then let's press next button. And here you can customize some settings. Some reminders, such as sit in position reminder, view and distance reminder, and eye protecting display. Decide which one you want to have enabled or disabled, and let's press OK button. And this is how your kid's space looks like. So your kid will have their phone like this. And now if you want to exit this kid space, all you're gonna do is swipe up from the bottom, not like this, but tap this three-dot button in the top right, and let's select exit option. Then confirm it by tapping your password. Additionally, you can create home screen shortcut. So here it is. Next time that you want to give your kid your phone, you want to tap this icon, and with a peace of mind you can give your phone to your kid. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.